we just got to Aspen and we're here with Dote. And this is the Airbnb. It's so cute. So I'm going to give you guys a little tour of it. Look how pretty the view is. Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Kitchen.
You should. He was in Florida whenever I had recently got there.
Table, kitchen, fridge. You know, and then this is one of the bedrooms.
She's the absolute best.
Living room. Upstairs. Oh, sorry. This room is so cute. This is like the best room right here. And then there's another upstairs. And it's a bathroom. Here. Bathroom. And then this is the room I'm staying in. This is the room I'm staying in. There's 2 beds. And then there's like this extra space for some reason. Ooh. Oh, I'm like out of breath. So cute. Another bedroom. Oh, that's a nice, this is the, oh, and they have a bathroom. Wow. This is a nice bedroom. And a little patio. How gorgeous. Wow. Look how cute. There's a balcony in my room. Bitch. This is so perfect. So we're in the taxi to go ice skating right now. You guys want to say hi? Hi. Say hi. You guys can say hi too.
What's up?
Everyone. And yeah, we're gonna go ice skating and I don't know how to ice skate, so this is a cute little ice skating rink. Aspen is actually so cute. Look at the little lights, heater.
I never actually
out here. And then there's everyone from Dote, you know, skating their lives away. And then there's just us sitting on the bench because we can't skate at all. We just got to the restaurant. Do we see this cheesy goodness bubbling? What are you dipping, bread? I think it's beef. How do I know when it's done? Can you try to find Nogi. Okay guys, it's the next day and I'm getting ready. But I'm sorry I didn't vlog a lot yesterday. I'm doing my makeup. But I'm sorry I didn't vlog a lot yesterday. I don't know, I was really tired. I had such a bad headache. Today I'm going to try my best to vlog more. We're going to get blowouts and stuff, so I washed my hair. My foundation matches my hand, but not the rest of my body, so ignore that. I tried to put lighter powder on my face and stuff, but yeah. Chelsea's here. Can I say hi? Hey! My vlog set up.
How long did it take you to learn how to put falsies on?
So long. Well, I actually, once you do it, I do it literally every day. So I got the hang of it. Okay, I'm not ready yet, but it's fine. I just have to get this last eyelash on. My eyelashes are so crusty, you guys. I need to clean them. This one's literally falling apart, but it's gonna go strong today. It's going strong. Oh, I probably look so crazy right now, but it's fine. I'm gonna talk to you guys in a little bit after I get this big eyelash on. I'll vlog. Oh my gosh, I just put so much eyelash glue. I'm freaking out. Okay, it's okay. I love you so much. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. I'm just carrying my bra because I had to run out without it. It's fine. So I need to put this on actually. So we just got to Dote's Airbnb. Look how cute. Look at the views. And it's starting to snow, which I'm excited about. I don't want to get snowed in though. But these are the views. Look at it. I'm out of breath. I just walked 3 stairs. Hi, Summer. And then a big fireplace. Wait, what are these?
I honestly don't know. I just know that I love California burritos. There's fries and potatoes or something. I don't really know.
Okay, so we got coffee, a burrito, a croissant, a smoothie. I just look so large, but it's fine. I just got my blowout. Look how cute it is. She did it kind of straight, but she made face framing pieces. I love it. I need to figure out how to do this in person. I guess it's not that hard. I would just straighten it inwards. I just want to get a blowout every day because my hair feels so good. we're just waiting to, I don't know what we're really waiting for. I'm just waiting, and half of the girls are here, half of them aren't, but I want to show you guys my outfit, but there's like no full body mirror. Okay, whatever, I'll just show you guys like this. This is the set from Daniel Guzio. You guys already know it. I love it. And then I'm just wearing my Air Force Ones, super cash, because they have outfits that we're going to change into. I'm talking so fast, I'm like out of breath. Okay. But yeah, I'm just chilling and uploading on Instagram and stuff, and it's just so pretty here. I'm so happy I'm here. Like, this is gorgeous, and it's honestly not that cold. It's like perfect.
We have similar styles.
Yeah, we do.
I mean, the red tracksuits on deck. Like.
We're twinning. So this is my clothes and Leah's clothes. How cute.
I know, this is from Unif.
Wait, this is so cute.
Oh my god, yay! So those are like your 3 outfits.
Okay.
And then like the shoes underneath go with.
Perfect.
Oh, but like this, I was thinking with these like...
Yeah. This is all the extra stuff that they have. So I guess it looks like, yeah, like more accessories and like actual clothing items. My first outfit.
Oh, that turtleneck thing?
This dress.
Yeah, I wanted to wear that with
Checker
like, a big
print.
fluffy like jacket later on.
My favorite. And then it has like a turtleneck kind of... It's kind of like a turtleneck hoodie, but I love the checker print, bitch. I got some Timbs on. I never thought I would like these, but I love the black ones. I don't like the brown ones that much. Everything that I'm wearing you can get on deck.
Oh, here, you can choose first.
Thank you.
Here's the pile you can choose from. This way.
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Why am I
Don't be nervous.
I like can't
totally.
I'm out of breath. I don't know why. I've been out of breath for the past 3 days.
Oh, it's the altitude.
Probably.
It's because of the altitude. Okay, this is like, looks good. Okay, I'm gonna hit record and then just start whenever.
Okay, so do I? Hey, my name is Paige.
Yeah.
Hi, Dote.
Yeah, hi, Dote, my name is Paige. And then just make sure you like read the question and then maybe just try and pause in between questions if you want.
Okay. Hi, Dote, it's Paige Secosky, and today I'm going to be answering some questions for you guys. So, my name is Paige Secosky. I go to school in New York City. I would describe myself as kind of tomboyish, a little bold, and kind of more street style. I can't.
That'd be helpful. I know it's really hard off the top. I do this all the time. It's like obviously
not
I
on the
made
top
this
of my
app
head.
and like sometimes
Okay, guys, I just finished doing the 2 videos for Tarte, and
For Tarte.
I mean,
Not
we were just talking about Tarte. That's why I did the 2 videos for Dote, and I messed up so much because I can't film in front of other people because I'm embarrassing. The photographers just came. They're coming out at 12, and it's 11:52, and the photographers are here. Hello. What's up? Answering more questions. We don't know what. We're trying to take photos, but we can't find anyone.
Yeah, Olivia, she was in the snow with no shoes on and like a sports bra doing yoga stuff because like that's what her Instagram is kind of about. So like the pictures are gonna be bomb, but like, whoa.
Oh my god, this morning?
Just now, like literally I looked out the window and I was like, bruh.
Dude, you gotta do it for the gram.
That jacket. Another inch step this way. Perfect. Right there. Stop.
Fuck
Half
it
inch
up,
back.
Paige.
Okay. I'm really picky photographer. You didn't know you got the pickiest one. That's me.
Her outfit is so cute.
Okay, one more look out. Yeah, towards Leah.
Hey, look at his little green sweater. Oh my god.
in the leopard coat.
Oh. I'm actually his mom.
Yeah.
Look at him. Another little puppy dog. How cute. Oh. This is such a beautiful view right now of you in the mountains. Gorgeous. The altitude makes it so difficult to breathe. I'm like always out of breath and I get a sharp pain whenever I breathe. It's just, I love it though. It's beautiful, but it's just a little hard to breathe. Aw, says Phil. Oh my gosh. They got us all gifts, guys. We just got back. How cute they decorated them. Oh my gosh.
Did you hear?
Over here.
What?
There's gonna be a storm tomorrow.
Hey,
Penzi,
like
you
tonight?
Are you
Yeah, well,
serious?
basically, yeah, tonight. Well, it's starting at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Mine is at 2 though, bitch. I need to get out of here for class. Yeah.
Ooh, what's this?
Ooh, hands.
You can just turn up the exposure. Is it too dark? Is it good?
Do this.
I'm like, oh.
Dote gift. Okay, there you go.
So cute.
My entire video is just gonna be everyone theirs and not me.
Oh, these are cute. These are so cute. Oh, this is so cute.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, this is me.
Is it orange?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
That definitely is you.
That's
Where's
cute.
that from?
Pretty little thing.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Those kind of look like your IMG one.
Yeah.
They have pockets though. That's so cute.
Oh, I love them.
This is a jacket.
Ooh, I love it already.
I love that.
Oh my
You
god.
were just saying that you like that material of the other jacket.
Where's that from? Random.
I have no idea. It says
Wait,
Nosy.
what's the brand called?
It says Nosy May.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. This looks like something from
Urban.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay guys, why do I always say okay guys?
Okay, guys. So
Okay. We're in the car right now. Okay, everyone say their name so everyone knows who everyone is.
I'm Summer Shiki.
Okay, I'm Leah.
Love from Leah X. I'm Olivia D'Andrea, spelled with an A.
And we're going sledding right now. Which we are not dressed for this. Look at this. Look at my outfit for sledding. Look at my shoes.
Like sledding or slaying? I thought they're different things.
I don't know.
She said slay.
Sleighing or sledding?
You can sled on a sled.
Look at the horses. Oh my god, they're beautiful.
Stoney's this one with the long tail, and Rocky's his brother with the shorter tail.
Aww. Another one. Okay guys, it's so out of focus though, I don't want to keep so cute. It will not focus. We just got to the restaurant, guys. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Look, they got all of our Instagram photos. Look at Olivia's gonna open the little presents. Don't be too what I'm getting. Oh, this is so cute.
Multi chocolate cake.
I can't believe we're at catch up.
Wow, good job, guys. I was trying to get the whole. We just got back to the Airbnb and I'm exhausted. My camera's dying, so I'm going to end today's vlog and I'll vlog a little bit of tomorrow, but I'm just going to pack everything up. I'm so tired. So yeah, love you, bye. Hey guys, I just got back. It is literally Monday at 11 o'clock. So and it's not even showing up. My flight kept getting canceled all day yesterday, and then today it just kept getting delayed. Just such a day, guys. So I'm finally back though in New York, and sorry I'm like really stiff right now because of a face mask on. My skin has been kind of breaking out, but I just wanted to end this video and I just wanted to say thank you so much to Dote. This trip was amazing and they're just such a sweet company. If you guys don't know what Dote is, it is an app and you can just shop a bunch of different brands online at once. It's so convenient. So they have like Urban Outfitters, they have like Dolls Kill, they have so many awesome brands, and I also made a category so you guys can shop my Instagram if you guys would like to. So make sure to follow me on Dote. My name is just PaigeSecosky. It will be linked down below, and also you guys can use my code Paige. It's just Paige caps, and it will get you $5 off. So it's basically a free $5. Like you can go spend that $5 at Urban Outfitters. It's like a free $5. So why wouldn't you, you know? I definitely want to follow some of you guys back just because I don't know a lot of people to follow and I just want to get some inspiration. So yeah, just thank you guys so much for everything, Dote, and I love you all so much. I'm so tired right now. I'm about to go to bed, eat my pasta, and take my face mask off, but I love you all so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so fun to film, and also I'm going to do a giveaway on Dotes, so make sure you guys follow me. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.